Gurudatta Jai Gurudatta Sri Gurudatta Jai Gurudatta Sri Gurudatta Jai Gurudatta Sri Gurudatta Jai Gurudatta Sri Gurudatta
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswatyay Namaha, Shri Padavallabha Narasimha Saraswati, Shri Gurudattatreya Namaha, Shri Ganapati Satchidananda Sadgurubhyo Namo Namaha. Jai Gurudatta and welcome to Datta Arpanam with your hosts Rishi Nirvan Barup
and Ravita Singh. Jai Gurudatta, Swagatam, and thank you for tuning in to Datta Arpanam, a showcase of the life, music and teachings of His Holiness Paramapujya Dr. Shri 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 Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji of Avadhuta Dattapitam in Mysuru. Today's program begins with the offering of pranams, gratitude, and this invocation prayer at the sacred feet of beloved Sadgurudeva Pujya Shri Swamiji, as this program, possible only through His divine grace, is offered to him. Please join His second-in-command, Pujya Shri 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 Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swamiji now in worship.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswatyai Namaha, Shri Padavallabha Narasimha Saraswati, Shri Gurudattatreya Namaha, Shri Ganapati Satchidananda Sadgurubhyo Namaha. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gururdevo Maheshwarah, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Bhuyuta Shri Hari Chinnitabhyam Agastya Rekhadibhiranchitabhyam Nigodha Bijakshara Mudritabhyam Namo Namas Sadguru Padukabhyam. Ganapati Gurumekam Satchidanandarupam Vibhudharivahasevyam Yogamargadhirudham Sharanamupagatanaamarti Sanghadrivajram Mama Hridaya Nivasam Bhaktinamro Namami Bhaktinamro Namami.
Once again everyone, Swagatam, and thank you for tuning in to this morning's episode of Datta Arpanam. Today's program is being brought to you through the kind courtesy of Ramlal Educational Institute of number 12 Exchange Lots Couva, Valini's Drug Mart Limited of 58-60 Sutton Street, San Fernando, Debe Supermart Limited of 182 SS Erin Road, Debe, and Koke Supermart Limited of 14 Naparima Miaro Road, San Fernando.
As many of you would know, this coming Wednesday, Mahashivaratri is being celebrated. And so, in keeping with this very auspicious occasion, today Datta Arpanam will be dedicated to the worship of Lord Shiva through bhajans.
And going one step deeper into the worship of Lord Shiva, today, as much as possible, attempts will be made to share the meanings of all the Lord Shiva bhajans being played.
So everyone, sit comfortably and stay tuned in to Datta Arpanam right here on 103.1 FM for what promises to be a beautiful hour of devotion. Let us begin by worshipping first the sun and then the consort of Lord Shiva, followed by Lord Dattatreya, the Holy Trinity of Brahma, Vishnu, and of course, Lord Shiva. As always, you can find the words to today's bhajans on the Bhajanmala app or on the website www.bhajanmala.com.
ನಮಿಪೆ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶಿವಸುತನೇ ಪೊರೆಯೋ ತಂದೆ ಗಜಮುಖನೇ 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 ಶಿವಸುತ ಷಡ್ವಿಧ ರಿಪುದ ಮನ ವರದಾಯಕ ಹೇ ಗಜವದನ ಶಿವಸುತ ಷಡ್ವಿಧ ರಿಪುದ ಮನ ವರದಾಯಕ ಹೇ ಗಜವದನ ಸುಮನವ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಶಿವನಂದ ತಮವಾನಿಗಿಸು ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ಸುಮನವ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಶಿವನಂದ ತಮವಾನಿಗಿಸು ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ನಮಿಪೆ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶಿವಸುತನೇ ಪೊರೆಯೋ ತಂದೆ ಗಜಮುಖನೇ 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 ಶಿವ ಸುಂದರಿ ಹೇ ದೇವಿ ಹೇ ದಯಮೋದಯ ಮಾಂ ಹೇ ಶಿವ ಸುಂದರಿ ಹೇ ದೇವಿ ಹೇ ದಯಮೋದಯ ಮಾಂ ತ್ವಮೇವಾಸಿ ಓಂ ತ್ವಮೇವಾಸಿ ಐಂ ತ್ವಮೇವಾಸಿ ಹ್ರೀಂ ಓಂ ಐಂ ಹ್ರೀಂ ಶ್ರೀಂ ತ್ವಮೇವಾಸಿ ಓಂ ತ್ವಮೇವಾಸಿ ಐಂ ತ್ವಮೇವಾಸಿ ಹ್ರೀಂ ಓಂ ಐಂ ಹ್ರೀಂ ಶ್ರೀಂ ಹೇ ಶಿವ ಸುಂದರಿ ಹೇ ದೇವಿ ಹೇ ದಯಮೋದಯ ಮಾಂ 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 వీరసువాణి రాగప్రీత గాయక సజ్జన హృదయగా వీరసువాణి రాగప్రీత గాయక సజ్జన హృదయగా శ్రీచక్రాంతర్గేహ పావన సచ్చిదానంద శ్రీచక్రాంతర్గేహ పావన సచ్చిదానంద శ్రీచక్రాంతర్గేహ పావన సచ్చిదానంద హే శివసుందరి హే దేవి హే దయమోదయమాం హే శివసుందరి హే దేవి హే దయమోదయమాం త్వమేవాసి ఓం త్వమేవాసి ఐం త్వమేవాసి హ్రీం ఓం ఐం హ్రీం శ్రీం త్వమేవాసి ఓం త్వమేవాసి ఐం త్వమేవాసి హ్రీం ఓం ఐం హ్రీం శ్రీం హే శివసుందరి హే దేవి హే దయమోదయమాం హే శివసుందరి హే దేవి హే దయమోదయమాం త్వమేవాసి ఓం త్వమేవాసి ఐం త్వమేవాసి హ్రీం ఓం ఐం హ్రీం శ్రీం త్వమేవాసి ఓం త్వమేవాసి ఐం త్వమేవాసి హ్రీం ఓం ఐం హ్రీం శ్రీం ఓం ఐం హ్రీం శ్రీం ఓం ఐం హ్రీం శ్రీం ఓం ఐం హ్రీం శ్రీం ఓం ఐం హ్రీం శ్రీం
గణ గణ మ్రోగెడు గుండెల గంటల రవళుల సాగెడు శ్రీకారా శ్రీకారా మనసిది కోవెల మాయల కావల మసలడి దేవా రావయ్యా రావయ్యా డమ 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 ఢమ ఢమ ఎనయేడు డమరుక మందున ఢంకారా ధుమ ధుమలాలెడు దుడుకు మనస్సున శమదమ సంపద నీవయ్యా నీవయ్యా తాల్చుక మండలు జలముల అలలన్ గలగలలందున లంకారా లంకారా కుల కుల విలువకు కలకల మందెడు కలునను కడగవే కమనీయా కమనీయా వ్రేళ్లకు వీణై మ్రోగెడు జపమాలికలో ద్రాంకారా ద్రాంకారా చీటికి మాటికి చీదర చందెడు చిత్తము నిల్పవే చిత్సారా చిత్సారా భం 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 అనేడు శంఖం బందున ఓంకారా ఓంకారా స్తంభం బందున బ్రహ్మం బందున జృంభితమూర్తివి నువ్వు కావా గిరగిరతిరుగు సుదర్శన చక్రము అందున తేజ ప్రాకార గర్వపు తెరలందు కనుమిన్నుగాంచిన మెరకులకీవే గతి కావా గతి కావా. మిల మెరసెడు శూలము అందున జ్వాలామాల విష్కార గుణముల మూడిటి కావల వెల్గెడు సచ్చిదానందుడ నీవు కావా గణగణ మృగెడు గుండెల గంటల ప్రవళుల సాగెడు శ్రీకార మనసిది కోవెల మాయల కవల మసలడి దేవా రావయ్యా 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 రావయ్యా.
That Datta bhajan which you just heard is not just a deeply moving bhajan which begs Lord Datta to step into the temple of our minds and free it of its fickleness, thereby bringing it to focus on Him, the Holy Trinity of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, but the bhajan also happens to be set to Vasanti Ragam.
Vasanti Raga can help with breathing problems, heart and lung problems, and even gastric or stomach problems. It is a raga which helps us in our meditation as well. So, what a powerful musical tribute that was.
And that, everyone, is how Ganapati Swamiji or Pujya Appaji does it. He does not just give us a little something, but he gives us his all, always. You were just listening to Pujya Appaji here on Datta Arpanam. Thank you for tuning in to today's early Mahashivaratri offering, which is coming to you on 103.1 FM through the grace of Pujya Sri Swamiji, and thanks to the sponsorship by Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited.
Today, you have been promised not only Lord Shiva bhajans, which were composed by Pujya Appaji, but also the meanings of those bhajans once time permits. So let us get straight into it, starting with the bhajan Isha Patisha Jagan Nivasa, the lyrics to which you can find by entering bhajan ID number 1305 on the Bhajanmala app or website. The bhajan starts by saying, O Lord Isha or Lord Shiva, you reside in this entire universe. O Protector and Savior of the world, I bow to you. O Lord of Parvati or Girija, O Dweller of Kailasa, prostrations to you.
This beautiful bhajan, set to Mohana Ragam, continues by saying to Lord Shiva, prostrations to you, O all-pervading or Digambara Lord. You wear an elephant skin. Your neck is bluish in color. You bestow happiness. Salutations to you. Salutations to you, O Lord, who wears a long braid or jata juta. Salutations to you who possesses a third eye or trinetra, and who holds the trishula or trident in your hand. O Maheshwara, O Sadashiva, protector of the poor or Dina, and Lord of the universe or Brahmanda Nayaka, salutations to you. With your inner eye radiating the truthful form or Satya Swarupa, you are Satchidananda.
Listeners, once again, the bhajan ID number is 1305, so please do sing along.
ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. 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 ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ಗಿರಿಜಾರಮಣ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ಗಿರಿಜಾರಮಣ. ಕೈಲಾಸವಸನತ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಕೈಲಾಸವಸನತ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ದಿಗಂಬರೇಶ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ದಿಗಂಬರೇಶ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಗಜಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಗಜಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ದಿಗಂಬರೇಶ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ದಿಗಂಬರೇಶ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಗಜಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಗಜಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಕಂಬು ಕಂದರ ನೀಲಮೇಘ ಕಂದರ ನೀಲಮೇಘ. ಶಂಭೋ ನಂದನ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಶಂಭೋ ನಂದನ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಜಟಾಜೂಟ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಜಟಾಜೂಟ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ತ್ರಿಪುಂಡ್ರಲೋಚನ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ತ್ರಿಪುಂಡ್ರಲೋಚನ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಜಟಾಜೂಟ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಜಟಾಜೂಟ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ತ್ರಿಪುಂಡ್ರಲೋಚನ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ತ್ರಿಪುಂಡ್ರಲೋಚನ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರಪಾಲ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ತ್ರಿನೇತ್ರಪಾಲ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ತ್ರಿಶೂಲಪಾಣಿ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ತ್ರಿಶೂಲಪಾಣಿ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಶಿವ 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 ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಶಿವ 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 ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಶಿವ 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 ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಶಿವ 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 ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಸಾಂಬ ಸದಾ ಶಿವ ಸದಾ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಸಾಂಬ ಸದಾ ಶಿವ ಸದಾ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಸದಾ ಶಿವಾಯ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಾಯ. ಸದಾ ಶಿವಾಯ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈಶಪತೀಶ ಜಗನ್ನಿವಾಸ कैलासवासनाथ नमः शिवाय कैलासवासनाथ नमः शिवाय नामायकार नमः शिवाय नामायकार नमः शिवाय अखिलांडकोटि नमः शिवाय अखिलांडकोटि नमः शिवाय नामायकार नमः शिवाय नामायकार नमः शिवाय नामायकार नमः शिवाय नामायकार नमः शिवाय अखिलांडकोटि नमः शिवाय अखिलांडकोटि नमः शिवाय ब्रह्मांड नायक नमः शिवाय ब्रह्मांड नायक नमः शिवाय ब्रह्मांड नायक नमः शिवाय ब्रह्मांड नायक नमः शिवाय दीनाबंधु नमः शिवाय दीनाबंधु नमः शिवाय ईशपतीश जगन्निवास जगदोद्धार नमः शिवाय ईशपतीश जगन्निवास जगदोद्धार नमः शिवाय मानस नयन सच्चिदानंद मानस नयन सच्चिदानंद शोभायमान सत्यातुंग शोभायमान सत्यातुंग मानस नयन सच्चिदानंद मानस नयन सच्चिदानंद शोभायमान सत्यातुंग शोभायमान सत्यातुंग ओम नमः शांति सदा शिवाय ओम नमः शांति सदा शिवाय सदा शिवाय महेश्वराय सदा शिवाय महेश्वराय ओम नमः शांति सदा शिवाय 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 सदा शिवाय महेश्वराय सदा शिवाय महेश्वराय ईशपतीश जगन्निवास जगदोद्धार नमः शिवाय ईशपतीश जगन्निवास जगदोद्धार नमः शिवाय जगदोद्धार नमः शिवाय जगदोद्धार नमः शिवाय 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 नमः शिवाय
Listeners, having heard today's first Lord Shiva bhajan here on Datta Arpanam, let us keep the momentum going with the bhajan Gangadhara Shiva Ganapati Pitani. When we visualize Lord Shiva, Ganga Mata also always comes to mind. Well, this bhajan starts by saying, O Lord Shiva, you retain Ganga as a decoration on your head. In other words, you are Gangadhara. You are the father of Ganapati and consort of Gauri. You are Nanjunda, the Lord who gulped the poison emanating from the ocean during the churning of the ocean.
O Lord, continues Pujya Appaji in this bhajan as he addresses Lord Shiva, you have Nandi as your vehicle. I have placed full faith in you. Kindly protect me, O Nanjunda. Protect us from the Lord of Death by breaking his noose, O Nanjunda. You are the three-eyed Lord and are praised by all the three worlds, O Nanjunda. For devotees, you are the God of gods. You are Sat, Chit and Ananda, or truth, knowledge and bliss.
Listeners, the words to this worshipful bhajan can be found by entering bhajan ID number 1301 on the Bhajan Mala app or website. Please join now in making this offering.
Gangadhara Shiva Ganapati Pitane Gauri Manohara Nanjunda. Gangadhara Shiva Ganapati Pitane Gauri Manohara Nanjunda. ನಂದಿವಾಗನ ನಂಬಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನನು ನಮ್ಮನು ಕಾಯು ನಂಜುಂಡ. ನಂದಿವಾಗನ ನಂಬಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನನು ನಮ್ಮನು ಕಾಯು ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಶಿವ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪಿತನೆ ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಶಿವ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪಿತನೆ ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಕಾಲ ಕಾಲನೆ ಕಾಳಯ ಮನನ ಗಾಳ ಕಾಲನೆ ಕಾಳಯ ಮನನ ಪಾಶವ ಮುರಿದವ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಪಾಶವ ಮುರಿದವ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಶಿವ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪಿತನೆ ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಶಿವ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪಿತನೆ ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಜಂಗಮ ರೂಪವ ಜಂಗಮ ರೂಪವ ತಾಳುತ್ತ ಜಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಗಮ ರೂಪವ ತಾಳುತ್ತ ಜಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವು ಧರಿಪ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಜಗವು ಧರಿಪ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಶಿವ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪಿತನೆ ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಶಿವ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪಿತನೆ ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಮೂರು ಕಣ್ಣವ ಮುಕ್ಕಣ್ಣನನು ಮೂರ್ಜಗ ಒಗಳುವ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಮೂರು ಕಣ್ಣವ ಮುಕ್ಕಣ್ಣನನು ಮೂರ್ಜಗ ಒಗಳುವ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಶಿವ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪಿತನೆ ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಶಿವ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪಿತನೆ ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಸರ್ವ ಭಕ್ತರ ದೇವರ ದೇವನೇ ಸರ್ವ ಭಕ್ತರ ದೇವರ ದೇವನೇ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದನೆ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದನೆ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಶಿವ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪಿತನೆ ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಶಿವ ಗಣಪತಿ ಪಿತನೆ ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ ನಂಜುಂಡ. ಗೌರಿ ಮನೋಹರ
That, listeners, was the voice of the present day Avadhuta of Lord Dattatreya, Paramapujya Shri 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 Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji, here on Datta Arpanam. Today's early Mahashivaratri celebration is coming to you on 103.1 FM through the grace of Pujya Shri Swamiji and thanks to the sponsorship by Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited.
Today you have heard the meanings of two bhajans glorifying Lord Shiva, the three-eyed one who holds the three-pronged trident. It feels only right that the meaning of a third bhajan should be shared at this stage. That third Lord Shiva bhajan which will be shared today is Shankaram Shankaram, the lyrics to which you can find by entering bhajan ID number 1271 on the Bhajanmala app or website.
The bhajan says, I prostrate to Shankara, the greatest of the great, the one who reduced karma to ashes, the one who swallowed the deadliest poison and kept it in his gullet, the result of which is that his gullet turned blue, the one who punished Lord Yama, the Lord of Death, and the one who removes all impurities of his devotees. That Shankara is worthy of praise. He has taken all this trouble to protect the world. Any amount of praise unto him is inadequate.
By his mere sankalpa or pledge, Lord Shiva took on millions of forms. He views the entire world with compassion and is both manifest and unmanifest in nature. In other words, he has both form and is formless. He grants knowledge.
Lord Shiva is the one who generates desire, but he destroys it as well.
The desire which generates passion and anger must be removed. With this, the desire leading to righteousness and redemption will sprout. Lord Shiva destroyed the evil-minded karma and then gave birth to Cupid, who was of a righteous nature. To that Lord Shankara, who purifies our desires and thoughts to enable us to attain liberation or moksha, I offer thousands of prostrations.
Listeners, once again, the bhajan ID number for this beautiful, moving bhajan is 1271. Please do join in worship.
Shankaram Shankaram Vanchitamaram Bhajatavaravaram Srigalam Chitkalam Kanditakalam Namatahatamalam Shankaram Shankaram Vanchitamaram Bhajatavaravaram Shankaram Shankaram Vanchitamaram Bhajatavaravaram Srigalam Chitkalam Kanditakalam Namatahatamalam Srigalam Chitkalam Kanditakalam Namatahatamalam Manasa Druta Bahu Bhavanam Manasa Druta Bahu Bhavanam Nana Jiva Karo Lasanam Nana Jiva Karo Lasanam
Manasa Druta Bahu Bhavanam Manasa Druta Bahu Bhavanam Nana Jiva Karo Lasanam
Manasa Druta Bahu Bhavanam Manasa Druta Bahu Bhavanam Nana Jiva Karo Lasanam Shankaram शङ्करं शङ्करं वञ्चितमारं भजतवरवरं शङ्करं शङ्करं वञ्चितमारं भजतवरवरं श्रीकलं चीत्कलं खण्डितकालं नमतः तमलं श्रीकलं चीत्कलं खण्डितकालं नमतः तमलम् करुणाय धृतभुवनगणं करुणाय धृतभुवनगणम् अवगति वितरण मतकल विकरण अवगति वितरण मतकल विकरण करुणाय धृतभुवनगणं करुणाय धृतभुवनगणम् अवगति वितरण मतकल विकरण अवगति वितरण मतकल विकरण करुणाय धृतभुवनगणं करुणाय धृतभुवनगणम् अवगति वितरण मतकल विकरण अवगति वितरण मतकल विकरण शङ्करं 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 वञ्चितमारं भजतवरवरं शङ्करं शङ्करं वञ्चितमारं भजतवरवरं श्रीकलं चीत्कलं खण्डितकालं नमतः तमलं श्रीकलं चीत्कलं खण्डितकालं नमतः तमलम् कामदं कृतमदनमदं
कामदं कृतमदनमदं
कलितप्रमदं सच्चिदानन्दं कलितप्रमदं सच्चिदानन्दं कामदं कृतमदनमदं
कामदं कृतमदनमदं
कलितप्रमदं सच्चिदानन्दं कलितप्रमदं सच्चिदानन्दं शङ्करं 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 वञ्चितमारं भजतवरवरं शङ्करं शङ्करं वञ्चितमारं भजतवरवरं श्रीकलं चीत्कलं खण्डितकालं नमतः तमलं श्रीकलं चीत्कलं खण्डितकालं नमतः तमलं शङ्करं शङ्करं वञ्चितमारं भजतवरवरं शङ्करं शङ्करं वञ्चितमारं भजतवरवरं श्रीकलं चीत्कलं खण्डितकालं नमतः तमलं श्रीकलं चीत्कलं खण्डितकालं नमतः तमलं 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 खण्डितकालं नमतः तमलम्
That divine bhajan was one of the favorites of Pujya Appaji's maternal aunt, Chekkama or Parvati Amma. Whether it is because of the beautiful Varam Ragam to which it is set, the poetry of it, or the beautiful meaning which appealed to Chekkama, one thing is for certain, there are lots of reasons to absolutely love that beautiful bhajan composed by Ganapati Swamiji.
But with regards to worshipping Lord Shiva, Pujya Appaji has not blessed us with only bhajans. During his Guru Purnima 2018 visit to Trinidad, Appaji blessed not just Trinidad but the entire world with the mantra Shivaya Rudraya Namaha. So before we begin to wrap up today's Mahashivaratri special, let us join in chanting this powerful mantra.
Shivaya Rudraya Namaha नमः शिवाय रुद्राय 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 नमः रुद्राय नमः शिवाय 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 रुद्राय नमः
Happy Mahashivaratri, everyone.
Happy Mahashivaratri. May the blessings of Lord Shiva be with each and every one of you and with all of creation. At this stage, today's early Mahashivaratri episode of Datta Arpanam begins to draw to an end.
Pranams and gratitude are offered at the divine feet of beloved Sadgurudeva, Paramapujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji and Sri Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swamiji, without whose teachings, compassion, love, guidance and music, this program would not exist.
Pranams to you, Pujya Appaji and Sri Swamiji. Kindly forgive any errors which may have been committed in preparing or in sharing today's episode of Datta Arpanam, and please guide us to avoid such errors in the future.
Special thanks are extended to the staff at 103.1 FM and to the sponsors of Datta Arpanam: Valini's Drug Mart Limited, Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited. And of course, dear listener, an extra special thank you is extended to you for sharing this devotional hour with us.
If you would like to listen to today's program again, check out the Datta Arpanam Facebook page, where by tomorrow night, the YouTube link for today's episode will be shared.
Once again, everyone, thank you for tuning in today. You are invited to please tune in to 103.1 FM again next Sunday at 6 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time for another episode of Datta Arpanam, a showcase of the life, music and teachings of His Holiness Paramapujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji.
Jai Guru Datta.
Shri Guru Datta. Harihi Om Tat Sat.
Namah
ಶಿವಾಯ ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ
ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವ ಗುರುರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಇದು ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವ ಗುರುರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಇದು ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವ ಗುರುರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಇದು ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವ ಗುರುರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ వెలిగితే శివరాత్రి వెలుగు మిగిలితే శివరాత్రి జీవి కరగితే శివరాత్రి సచ్చిదానందమే శివరాత్రి తెలివి వెలిగితే శివరాత్రి వెలుగు మిగిలితే శివరాత్రి జీవి కరగితే శివరాత్రి సచ్చిదానందమే శివరాత్రి సచ్చిదానందమే శివరాత్రి సచ్చిదానందమే శివరాత్రి
ఓం నమః శివాయ 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 ఓం నమః శివాయ
ఓం శాంతి 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 హరి ఓం తత్సత్